So today we're going to be looking over some of the best budgeting apps for 2025. So let's go ahead and look at this list and break down all the different features and benefits you would get for all of these different apps. Now, the first one on this list is going to be with Empower. Now, Empower is free to utilize. It actually helps you cash flow tracking as well as 360-degree view of all of your money. You can actually earn interest, APY, on your money sitting inside of the account with Empower. So not only do you get a budget, but you also can actually earn money on your money. You have various saving goals that you can keep track of, as well as some of the other great features here include real-time updates, built-in AI-powered assistance, and wealth management, which helps you track your net worth, and additional features if you have 100K net worth of total assets that you add to your account. Now, next up here is going to be with Cube Money. Cube Money gives you live in the know real-time Cube balance. So you actually have an account that you open up with and you can see everything happening in real time. You actually can have Cube envelope budgeting for the 21st century. So it's like a cash envelope, but this is on the digital front. So you're actually spending in real time and budgeting in that real time, like we mentioned. And it holds you accountable to your budget. So if you actually overspend, it'll block that account from being ran unless you want to physically block that transaction. So it actually keeps you better accountable. You can actually customize your budget plans. You can adjust things on the fly as needed. Now, also with Cube Money, it's great for families because you can also have kid debit cards. You can easily control subscriptions and cancel them at a breeze. And you can actually have to open up an actual account that is going to be FDIC insured. So this is opening up a bank account that is built in with a budget. There are different plans, such as a basic plan, a premium plan, as well as a family plan. Now, Cube Money and with Empower are going to be in the show notes down below, as well as all the other companies we talk about here today. Those links sometimes do support us out and get you a nice bonus, but also allows us to make more free content just like this. Now, next up here is going to be with Rocket Money. Now, Rocket Money does have some free plan features. So if you are wanting to kind of just get started at no cost, they have that option for you. You could link your accounts and understand your spending trends. So you link up all your bank accounts and it'll show you everything holistically. You get balance alerts as well too. So if you want to make sure that you're getting alerts when your account goes under a certain dollar amount, you can do that. Subscription management and finding reoccurring subscriptions and bills is really fast and quick with Rocket Money. And they also do provide you your credit score, which is just an additional way to help manage your finances. Now, also with Rocket Money, they do have some premium plan features that include subscription canceling assistance. So you can go through the process and cancel right directly on the app. They do have availability to chat with experts and a smart savings account. They also do have a net worth tracking, which I personally love when any companies have net worth tracking. And you can actually even share your accounts. So if you have a spouse or a family all together, you can have them all sharing under the account. And they do have unlimited budgets in the premium features. Now, next up here is going to be with Honeydew. Now, Honeydew is completely free. There are no features behind any kind of paywall. This is ideal for couples and partners, as well as any of the additional features here include automatic categorizing expenses. You can actually set up monthly limits on your accounts, and you have FDIC insured accounts within the app. One con here is there are no APY on your cash deposits. You do get bill reminders to help you avoid any kind of late fees, which is great. And then the in-app chat feature to keep your budget conversations filtered into one place instead of into your regular conversations with your partner. You can actually track all your accounts in one place by logging into all of your different banks. So as of right now, it is an app only. There is no current desktop version of it. Hopefully that will change in the future. You can see here that the expense splitting you can have similar to apps like Splitwise. Honeydew allows couples to split expenses and keep track of shared costs. Honeydew is more focused on analyzing and understanding previous financial activities rather than preparing for future expenses. Next up here is going to be Simplify by Quicken. You can actually track multiple savings goals within the Quicken app. You can actually synchronize your financial institutions as well as personalized budgets based off income as well as bills. Now, Simplify also has an income tracker that helps you track various income sources, i.e. if you're an Uber driver, Airbnb host, etc. Now, they do have real-time spending alerts, reports, and tools to manage your overall spending. And right now, it typically is about $5.99 a month. I know with our link in the show notes, sometimes they do offer a nice discount for the first several months of utilization. Next up here is going to be with Monarch. Now, Monarch syncs with multiple financial institutions. You can have transaction rules, so when things come about, you don't have to manually do everything every time. They have a flexible budgeting tool and rollovers, as well as visual diagrams and charts. And you can also collaborate with a partner or even a financial advisor. Now, also with Monarch, they do have investing tracking, which is great. They have the ability to track your overall financial goals. You can customize your dashboard and charts. They have bank level security. And this is typically $14.99 a month or about 45% off if you go with the annual plan. Again, checking out the link in the show notes sometimes gives you additional bonuses. Now, next up here is going to be with YNAB. Now, YNAB connects to your bank accounts automatically. You could stay in sync, so you can connect to your computer, your phone, your tablet, or even stay offline. Now, this also allows you to manage your money together, so you can share a subscription with your partner, your families, or anyone else up to 6 people in total. Now, there are endless customizations, so it can look personalized to you. You can also split your transactions, and they do have a widget and easy setup mode, so you can have it look really nice on your phone, as well as the setup process is simple and easy to utilize. They do also have goal tracking. Now, YNAB also has a loan calculator to help you demolish your debt. They also have a spending and net worth report, which I mentioned earlier, I love. And they also do have the bank grade security. Now, YNAB is $14.99 per month, or you can do an annual plan for $109. And if you are a college student, you can actually use YNAB for free for a year. And our link in the show notes down below actually does get you a 34-day free trial, so you can actually test it out and see how you like it. Now, again, those links down below do help support us out so we can make more free content just like this for you. And speaking of free content, you can keep on learning when it comes to managing your budget by checking out this next video right over here on screen.